Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make a grade system in a teacher side, admin side and parent sides, also admin sides. So in this video we can start new module about attendance. Suppose teacher otherwise admin can submit his student attendance, so he can do it. Like attendance work like four type: present, late, absent and half day. So we need to create a new menu here, attendance, and how to works. First you need to choose the class, same like you can go like exam. So you need to do select the class, not exam. So I go to mark registers. So you need to choose the class SS1. After you can choose like exam. No need to choose exam. I just explain. Just you can choose the class. After you click on the search, and also you need to put like date. So this is the date against we need to show all the users and whatever he can, like you already selected like absence, you are selected like present. So whatever you selected like this show students, but I will show you step by step how we can make it. Okay, so first we need to create a new menu, attendance, and attendance inside we need to create a sub menu like student attendance, and after I can show you how we can implement. So just you need to go to resources, inside need to go views, inside you need to go to like layouts, and inside we can go adders. Let's make some zoom outs, just go down, and I can copy anything like examination, all part I can copy. Okay, so carefully please checks what I am doing. All the place means examination module I will copy and I can paste here, and also I will remove rest of links. So I can remove like 3 links, only exam link I leave it because we need to change to student attendance, these reasons. So you can see it now. Okay, now examination I will change to attendance, and here I can change like examination because we need to make an active segment for the attendance. So examination to attendance, and here I can change also. Now we need to make like a new menu, student attendance. So just we can change, and here you can make like student attendance, and here we can make like a exam because we don't need a, like many pages, so only one page is first work, so we don't need a listing like this. So just we can make like a student, so admin attendance student. Okay, so look like better, and also you can make like a here third segment like a student, so he's going to active class, this reason. So let's go back again and refresh the page so you can see it. Okay, now you can see it. Now here is showing the mark register, but here you can see it like a new module like attendance. You just click on the student attendance. So this route not found, so let's create these routes and we can try, because I have not saved this file, this reason showing the here wrong. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it now, new menu found attendance. Okay, I click on the attendance now. So going to admin attendance students because we have not created this route. So just go to routes, inside go to web, just go down and we can create the last one. Just copy any routes and paste here, and just you can make admin attendance student. Okay, so just we can change here like a student attendance students, so look like better these reasons. And also we need to create a new controller about attendance. So attendance controller, I just creating new controller, attendance controller. So this controller name we need to declare up above like here, use app http controllers, and we just copy and paste, and after I put here I copy calendar controller, after I put change the controller name like attendance controller. Okay, now you need to open your code and you need to open the terminals. Suppose I need to open my code like schools.com. Okay, and I will open my terminal. I see some comments terminal need a bigger, so I just make a zoom out some terminal so you can look like a better. Okay, php artisan make controller attendance controller. Just go back again and copy this controller name and I paste here. So taking few seconds, and after automatic create a controller inside app http controller, so you can see it here. Okay, just wait few seconds, you see controller successfully created with he provided path. So here is a controller created. I go inside and I just save these files and I copy this name and I just create a new function, attendance student. Okay, now everything's good. Now we need to go any controller. Let's go to assign class controller and just copy these two lines. Any controller you can go and copy. And here we can change like attendance students. Just copy and paste here and just make a space here. Okay, so header title going to attendance students and admin, and here we need to change like a folder, so we just need to put like attendance. So just copy up and put here, and here you can change list to student. Okay, so let's go to resources. Inside views, inside we need to create a new folder inside admin. So just you can type like this, right click, new folder, attendance, whatever browser are using. I am using this Sublime editor, so Sublime editor like this works. And I also create a new files, blade.php. okay, student blade.php. So let's go back again, refresh the page, we can check working, not working. Okay, working very well because our file is a blank, this reason not showing anything. I can explain again what I did. First I will create a new routes, and these routes I will declare above, and after I create a new function like attendance student, and we have create a one view files, and which we have created some folder like attendance folder inside admin, and after we have created a new file student.blade.php. okay, so let's go to back and click on the back, and I can go to again any place we can go. Suppose you can go to class, not class, as class time, assign class teacher. So also you can go it, and here you can choose the like class name, any place. But I can copy which one I like to copy, like mark register we can copy, because here is already there class selection. Okay, so just go to open these files, mark registers, rounds inside web.php. Here go to mark register and just copy get class. No need to copy anything, just copy get class. Okay, go to attendance controller and paste here. Otherwise, do you want to, you are not following the series, so what do you need? Just we have already created one class here, so you can see it like here class, and this class we are assigning to student. So you can see it, we are assigning the student for this class. Okay, I hope now you are clear. Sorry about that. Now we need to declare like a class model in up. So just go back again, and we need to declare now. So I have declared model class models. Class model inside I have created a new function get class. So just I open the class model. I am using the go to definition. This reason I am going to quickly. Otherwise, do you want to go directly? Just go to models. Inside you can see it like a class model, and inside you can see it like a get class. So I already made some join query, and join query wise we are getting the class details. Suppose you are following this series, so you can understand. Okay, suppose who is created by and who is like is delete status and class name by ascending order. So A name is first, BB name is second, this reasons. Okay, so I am getting the class detail here. So let's go to again views, means the attendance inside students, and we need to copy. Which file I can copy? So you can see it like I can go to mark register again, and here you can see it like examination inside mark registers. So just go to resources, inside need to go examination, inside you can copy this mark register files to attendance inside. So just I attendance copy, and also I am removing the other scripting we don't need. Okay, I removing this some scripting, we don't need this is the table, so just minimize, and I can remove all things. I don't need a messages. Okay, also I don't need a resets. Yes, reset we need, so we don't need. Now also I don't need like exam. So I think now it's clear. Just simple thing here. There's other thing I have removed. So once I can show you, refresh the page and I can show you. Removing some commenting. I don't like comments. So do you want to like? So you can, don't worry. Let's make some zoom out so you can see it. You see, like get class here there, because we have passed already inside a views data inside. You can see get class. So we have passed inside a student.blade.php inside get class. After I made a like suppose whatever name is selected. So this is the request get class id is equal to whatever class id here there, this is the selected record. I can show you one by one. So let's go back again, refresh the page so you can easily understand. Let's go to attendance, inside student attendance. So you can see the title, also you can see it like mark register because we have copied this reason. So let's go back again and we need to change to mark register to student attendance. So we are already there here, attendance student, otherwise student attendance. Let's make student attendance look like better. I do whatever do you want to, like you can make it, because words like student attendance look like a better these reasons, and we can speak easily. Search student attendance, and also we can change like a mark register to student attendance. Okay, so change name, and also we need to change link to reset, so admin attendance student. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So I click on the reset, so working very well, no issue. Suppose I can choose the class part time, and I click on the search. So you can see it like a class id is working in above because we are using the blank method is equal to get these reasons. Okay, so now suppose I can choose the class. Okay, after I need to choose the my date, what date I need to make attendance. So we need to make another filter here, like we need to choose the date after click on the search. So student found, suppose this date against any record saved inside database, so we need to show like absent, late, half day, present, whatever there inside database, this one show, otherwise not there, so it's showing the blank. Okay, so let's make a first year like a date. So just go back again and just copy, no need to do like very hard work, just copy and paste here, and we need to change to here date, like otherwise you can make like attendance date, so look like better. Okay, attendance date, and we need to remove this select function. Just you need to make like input type is equal to text, and class is equal to form control because I am using the bootstrap these reasons, and here I can change like attendance date, and also we need type is equal to made a dates, so you can see it here like a dates. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like date you can find out, you see. And both one do you need to make a required, so you are click on the search, so always in the requires, so just make it like requires, and also I can make like whatever fill here, and I click on the search, so whatever data I print like inside url we need to show here. Okay, so just make a value dollar request means a direct request get attendance date, just you can pass here like this. Okay, so let's back again and check working not working. I refresh the page, and you can see I click on the search, so is a required, so I can choose like any date. Suppose I can choose like 18, I click on the search, so you can see it like a date here is autofill. Okay, so now working very well, no issue. Now we need to find the student using the class wise, so we need to make here like a, suppose once you can choose like class, and once you can choose attendance dates, so we need to show bottom is the students. So let's go back again, and we need to make a here attendance control inside we need to make another query, so just we can use like a request dollar request if is not empty class id and is not empty attendance date. Let's go back again. Okay, so it's going to inside, and we need to get the data about the student, so get data get records. This is the we have already done inside a exam controller. Suppose do you want to get a student, so you can see it like a get student is a class wise, just copy this line and put here. I will show you, don't worry about that. And here make like get function, so let's same thing we can do also like this work, but we can using get, so it look like better, and no generate future any error, this reason I'm using get. Why I'm using the get, because here is the data, there is a like get method, this reason I'm using here gets. Okay, so here I can transfer class id, so here I get all the student about the class wise. So users model we can declare here, just copy and paste, and we can change class model to users. So you can see it inside a models inside, you can see it like users.php. Okay, just go to users. Inside we can go and I can show you. You can see get student classes. So we have made like users table inside with our user type is equal to 3. 3 means the student, and also we made like a users dot class id. So dollar class id, because we have passed already one parameter inside a attendance. You can see it. Okay, so let's close other thing we don't need now because sometimes confusing this reason. So here we are getting the all the data about students. Okay, so just copy and go to bottom. Otherwise you need to go like examination controller again. Like suppose you need to go, so examination inside you need to go mark registers and just go down and just copy this line where you can put like after form div. So here you can paste this line, get students means is their data, so it's going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. And also we can copy this is the all things, not this is the things I can copy and I paste here. Just make some space so look like better this reason, and I just like this I can merge, and also I can close everything one by one because Sublime editor there is automatic closing. So you can see it, everything is closing. And also I made here like an end if, because we have started if condition above this reason. So just refresh and we can check data is there not there. I think it's a wrong way. I think make it 2 or 3 ways. Suppose I can check like this, I just copy and I can put here up, and we don't need these ones now. We need, but where is need? Inside a t body. Just we can change here and if. Okay, and also we need to change like if request means this is the request, and also we can change here like a addend. So it's there, so we need to show like a student means a student list, and we can change to student list here. Let's go back again, refresh the page so you can easily understand. You can see student name, student list, because we have not made anything about table, this reason look like simple. Okay, so just we need to use here t heads here, and inside we need to use tr, inside we need to use th. First one we can do like a roll number, like whatever roll number means, otherwise we can put like student id. I think make a student id. What is the student id? Suppose you need to go students, and inside you can see like this is the id I'm talking about, this id, so you know what is the student id. Okay, so you can see it like I made a student id. Sorry about I need to do like th, but it's going to th, just I can change. Second one I need to do student name, and third one we need to do like a attendance. So just copy this spelling and I can put here. Okay, so just go back again and refresh the page and try how it looks show. So you can see it like a student list name, student id, student name and attendance. Okay, so let's make a here for each loop and show the student name is a dollar value, and for each trtd, instead first we need to show id because database name is equal to id. Okay, so just I can show you the id. Let me open the database so I can show you with you. Localhost phpMyAdmin, and also we need to make here like a name and last name. So just you can make, because I know column name about database username table, this reason I'm doing, but I can show you, don't worry, once database open after. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can see it like part-time inside any student there. So here you can get, otherwise not there, so not get. Okay, part-time inside student not there, so just go back again and check here, there cannot there. Yes, one student there, I don't know why it's not printing here. Get students, get students. I save also data dot get student. I just make die. Here is going to not going. I need to see. Okay. So just make die and I refresh the page. Okay, stopping. I make dd. I just go back again and check student found cannot found. This reasons. Yes, one error found, which is the showing name, ID, last name. Name, last name. Okay, so working, no issue. So just go back again. Inside student list, what I did, get request. Okay, this is the also work. Student list also work. T body inside tr inside td. For each loop work. So let's go back again, refresh the page. I don't think any error there. I am also confusion. Why is not printing? So let's remove this condition. I think this is the condition. Oh yes, this condition wise I think there is the issue. Let's go back again. Get, oh sorry, what's the problem? Because I have made a like get subject, but here we are passing like a get student. This reason then the issue. So I just change this variable name get student, not a get subjects. This reason now generate the error about the variable undefined variable name. This reason I understand. Okay, so you see student id, student name is student ones, and attendance. So we need to make here for attendance. So I can make show you td label. We need to use the labels. Okay, labels, like first one we need to use a present. So input type checkbox, not checkbox, radio, because we need to choose one by one. Otherwise we need to provide drop down also possible, but drop down better we need to show radio button. So look like choose presents like this you can choose. After we need to show like rest of, just copy and paste fourth time because we are fourth. Just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like a present, absence, lates. We can make it like this. So let's go back again. Late. So late. One is the absence. So just we can make absence. And last one is a half day. So we can put it here half day. Okay. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it now. Let's make some spaces between. So just open the spec element and just you can make like a margin right, otherwise padding right, whatever do you want to like, you can make it like 10 px. You can see it. So look like a some spaces between the all the place. Okay, because last one we don't need, because last one right side no anything else. This reason I'm not doing. So just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see now I am showing the like a student list. Also I see student id and student id after enter student name and attendance. Suppose I can go to ss1 and I click on the search. So you can see student 2, 3 and 4 with showing the attendance. Suppose this is the attendance I selected for this date. So automatic is the selected, you can find out. Suppose you can change like this. So automatic change, like you can change like, because the name is not same, this reason selecting all. Let's make all the name same. So just copy this name and just put here like name is equal to attendance. Is a row wise work, so don't worry about that. This is the, we can make it how I can do this is I can show you. And also we need to make a is a concat here student id. So just we can concat student id, just copy and paste here, because it's a unique name. For this one is a like attendance 1, attendance 13, attendance, I can show you, don't worry. I just spec element, and so you can see it like this here. You can see it like here is the input box, here also input box, and I can make all. So attendance 30, attendance 30, attendance 30, same name. Suppose I can choose here this one, so only can work this one. Suppose I can choose this one, so only work this ones. Okay, suppose I can work this one to this one, because this is the attendance 10. Suppose I go inside, so you can see it here, attendance 10, attendance 10. You can see name. Okay, I know it's a very small letter showing, but I think you can understand what I say. Okay, so you can see it like a search student attendance, and after student list inside we have made it like for attendance. Now we need to save inside database, but suppose once you can select this one present, so we need to store all the data inside database. Suppose you can choose the late, so we need to store data inside database. Suppose you can choose the absent, so we need to store inside database. How I can store? Like class id, not class id against, because class id is already fixed, so we don't want to change. I think class id against student id. Okay, and student id against like attendance, and also we need to make a like a attendance date. So we need to add a for column inside database. I will create a new database table user attendance inside student id, student attendance, and student attendance date and class id. So with this student, after you are changing the class id, you are adding like another class for the student. So we need to know about old data, because we need to show old data inside reports. We need to create another button like a reports. So this is the student against, we know, okay, this is the student against, this is the class id. This reason I made like sub menu, because otherwise some people thinking why is I made a sub menu, because we need to provide the same menu. So also possible, but it's like this my account, but we need to make like here student report. So report inside you need to see like last year what is the, means this is the year, like class wise you need to find out this reason. Okay, so I in this video I will explain how to make a like student attendance html, means how to make a setup with database wise. We need to get the class, after we made like attendance, also we made a student list. And next video I can show you, once you can change this one, so automatic save inside database, and after you can refresh, so auto selected you can find out, because we don't want to made a, like a mistake about once I can save and after is not found, so people not understanding, okay, this date what is the attendance he already filled. So automatic found, just you can change. So we can call the ajax, and ajax first we can save inside database. First we can check, okay, already there record, so no issue. Suppose record not there, so we can add new, otherwise we need to update. And I hope do you want to like, so you can like this video. Do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and please share this is the school management project to your friends, so he can learn something, because I am doing real time project, so everybody can learn something. I am doing like, I know I am provide like 1 or 2 video every day, but I hope you can enjoying, and thank you for watching.